Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Webcoder. Today I'm going to show you guys that how to download and install Visual Studio Code Editor just in 2 simple steps. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on your notification for the latest updates. So let's go and install our first step, which is downloading. So for that, open your browser, and in your browser go on google.com. so in Google type Visual Studio Code 2019. so search. Okay, some spelling mistake. Okay, never mind. So click in first link, and here is our download page. So I also provided this link in description if you would like to go directly to this page. So please make sure you check the description. And after that, also please make sure you go to the update section and click the latest update. So since the latest update is August, so we will choose on August. And after that, come to the right corner and there is a download button. So click download. In here you need to choose your operating system. So since I'm using Windows, so I will go with Windows. Click Windows and wait for some second. So it will give you the link for installing. So click start downloading. So wait, it need to download, so it will not take a lot of time if your internet is good. So wait for it. Yes, so our downloading had been finished. So now let's go and open in folder. So open folder and click on Visual Studio Setup twice, and from here our second step will be start, so which is installing. So click the first option, which is I accept the agreement. Click next, and here you can choose the location that you would like to install. So since I'm using since I'm installing my all application in C drive, so I already choose the C drive, so I'll go with the C drive. And after that, click next and next again. And here there are some options, so I will go just for the first option, which is create a desktop icon, because I would like to have an icon in my desktop. So check or tick the icon of create a desktop. So after that, click next and click install. So simple, and wait until it finish its process of installing. So, and obviously it also not take a lot of time, so wait for it. Yes, here you go. And in here, so if you would like to launch directly, so make sure you check or tick the launch Visual Studio option. So I would like to tick that. So after that, click finish, and it will pop up the welcome button. So there you go. So we successfully installed the Visual Studio Code. So you can go and install new file, and you can type your code, and you can enjoy the editor. So thank you guys for watching. And also if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification, and also like this video and comment.